Good morning. I am really pleased to give this IAG Welcome, which is the first one of my IAG duties. And we are also pleased and honored to have two past IAG presidents in this room, who are Gerhard Butler and Chris Rizos. I am also pleased to give this talk, although it's only 5 minutes, here in Australia. And every time I come to Australia as my second country, I put this tie, not to impress you, it's just because it's a special Australian tie as a gift from John Dawson, my friend. I am also pleased to show you a couple of slides about IAG. And this is the structure of IAG for those who are not aware of that. It is a busy slide, but you can read it from top to bottom, or if you prefer, from bottom to up. We have the International Council of Science that comprise about 31 unions with 142 countries. And then under that, you have what we call the unions, scientific unions. And one of them is the IUGG, where the IAG belongs to, together with other 7 associations. So you have the IAG commissions, and then the services where you find the IGS. And the IGS has a particular role, as every service has its particular role within the IAG. And I cannot resist, when I talk about IAG, not to talk about the ITRF. And this is one of the achievements of IAG and its services. And as you know, the ITRF 2014 is just published. I will come back to that in my presentation. But just one remark about the IGS. We have in the ITRF 2014 about 900 sites. And this will give more possibilities to access to the ITRF. And that's what I want to emphasize, that through the IGS products, we have a kind of universal access anywhere, anytime to the ITRF, thanks to the IGS products. So this is something to keep in mind, that the IGS has its big role in disseminating the ITRF and also, of course, other products. So one message from our IAG Secretary General, Helmut Revis, you can read that. But one thing that IAG, of course, it's open to host all the countries, and all the countries are, of course, encouraged to become member of IUGG and automatically to be a member of IAG. And of course, you are invited to be member as individual. You have only $150 to pay for 4 years. And students are more than welcome, because they are free of charge, and they have also the possibility to have travel awards for participation in symposia, etc. And please visit the IAG website. And again, I am happy to be with you this week, and I hope it will be a productive week, as usual, for the IGS workshop. Thank you very much.